Hey, you're facing a problem, right? Let's see what's that. Maybe you are going to enable this funnel and you're trying to set up the main one in CartFlow. So where you are going to edit the settings, but it says step editing is disabled. You can't edit this step directly because instant layout is turned off in the funnel setting. To make design changes, go to the design inside this step setting. So when you are seeing this kind of error like this one, just simply go to the setting of the funnel, not the main setting of the global one. Just go to the open panel setting. Then this option, enable instant layout, will be automatically, by default it will be enabled, but you have to disable this one. Just simply click on it and then click on save. Let's see what's inside and close this one and then go. Yes, it's still the same, but go to the refreshing option. So after being refreshed, you will see the changes here. Yes, now you can edit the step from here. So whatever I wanted to show you, maybe you've got the solution. Thank you so much for watching, and if it works with you, then please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment here. Or if there is any other issue, including this one, WordPress or Elementor, or some other issues that you are facing, let's drop your comments and let me know. I'll try to give you the solution. Thank you.